The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a huge display, which when combined with the new Galaxy AI features, gives you the ability to multitask like a pro. Let's take a deep dive into these Galaxy AI features, starting with Circle to Search with Google. Now, if you see something that you like, just circle it using the S Pen or your finger. You then get almost instant search results relating to that object. Transcript Assist is there for those who want to transcribe a meeting without being distracted. It turns what's being said into detailed notes, color coding each speaker. Then Note Assist can even summarize that transcript and even translate it into other languages. But that's not all Note Assist does. If you write something down in your own handwriting, it can give you a beautifully formatted version in just a couple of taps. Plus, if you're a keen traveller, then Interpreter will be really useful for you. Conversation mode helps you talk to someone using the cover screen to show them everything that you're saying in their own language. All you need to do is tilt the phone like this, and everything you're saying will come up on the screen.
그리고 당신이 말하는 모든 것이 화면에 나타날 것입니다.
The new, larger 6.3-inch front display gives you plenty of space for all your everyday tasks, such as replying to messages without even needing to open your phone. It's incredibly thin and light, meaning you can easily slip it into your pocket without feeling like you're being dragged down. It's super durable too, protecting it from drops and scrapes. You're also covered from any accidental spills or splashes thanks to its IP48 water resistance. Its stronger folding edge gives you the confidence to keep unfolding and unfolding while making flex mode even more worry-free. Its massive 7.6-inch main display lets you enjoy on-the-go gaming with vivid colours and a crisp contrast in any lighting conditions. As you can see, even though lights are on and it's pretty bright, you can still see everything clearly on the 2600 nits display. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor works to give you eye-popping graphics with lifelike light and shadows, making your games look really realistic. However, this phone doesn't only cater to the gamers. If you're also an avid binge watcher, then the streaming app optimization will work perfectly for you, letting you watch your favourite shows for longer. And the huge 4,400 mAh battery and larger vapor chamber, which essentially cools any built-up heat from your phone, lets you stream and play for hours without any drops in performance. If you would like any more info about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, visit us in-store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.